Hello again. Today I'm going to show you my second mock. It's kind of like a build on my first mock. So from this shot you can kind of see that there's like my mountain base and other droids and I'm fighting. So now I'll kind of show you what I did. As you can see, there you can see all the droids. Some of them shot down. There's my clone tank and that kind of thing. Then rebel troopers. Then on to the new stuff. I had some base plates right there, as you can see, and then I built this whole thing. It's like a extension of the entrance. I put the door or the gate to the side, and I built up this wall. Then I built a wall around this base plate right there, and to store my like speeders, like a little ladder right there. So yeah, there's no one underneath. Then I built this whole section, which docks my V-wing, and then over here, of course, I extended my river. I added this whole wall. They can shoot through these holes right here, and then they can see through the window. So there. There's like a little ladder right there that goes up. And then in here is just a door that goes into the bed chamber, which I will show you. Here's the bed chamber. As you saw, it's pretty much the same with a little radio and some beds. And of course 2 light switches, which I got the idea from Jamie300. Check out his videos and spell it. Let's see, JAMESY 300. Then just like a mop and bucket. And now I'll put the roof on again. You can see here's another ladder off the roof platform. It goes up into this little tower, which has like antennas and stuff on it. And then there's some stairs that go up onto the roof. You can see some ARF troopers with the cannon. Also, this bird right here, Jamie300 also built, so pretty cool. Just put it right there. Now I'll take the big roof off. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. There you can see where they stand. The guy sniping right there, which you can see his gun. Right. There. So yeah, it's practically the same. Put a little rocket thing there. Then it's kind of hard to see, but down there is the word cafe. And oh, there's a ladder, and then there's like a little door right there. And that leads to the mess hall or cafe eating place. So there's benches with food on them and cups. You can fit 10 people alone. And then here, you can see there's a sink, a stove, a carrot being chopped up. Here's the oven, which I got with the old Lego sets, like back at the beginning. Not quite that far, but around there. yeah, pretty much all my new stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe. But before you go, I'll just give you a bird's eye view picture of the whole thing. So yeah, it's pretty big now. Thinking on getting some like pick the brick if I can find a Lego store near where I am. And of course, I haven't been doing much on the Droid base because I haven't built much on it. I don't have much Lego pieces anymore. I love that guy right there. Cool, he's like in the midst of falling. It's mine, Walker.